In this tutorial, I'll demonstrate how to create bounce-in text effects in CapCut PC. Let's begin by going to the stock material and adding a background to the timeline. Click on the text section and use the small plus icon to insert default text. Input your desired text. Customize the text style to your preference. Navigate to the animation options and select Bounce In. Adjust the text duration to last only 0.5 seconds to match the effect duration. Next, duplicate the text by holding out and dragging it to a new position. Add the subsequent word to the duplicated text. Repeat this process for as many words as necessary. We can increase the font size further by selecting all the words and adjusting the font size collectively. And that's it. I hope this video has been helpful to you. Thank you for watching.